year, and honestly, I'm not sure whether to be excited or deeply concerned. This season on Cybercrime Junkies, we're unleashing full-blown chaos. And I mean chaos. Real spies, actual double agents, AI behaving like it needs therapy, and cyber stories so freaking ridiculous you'll swear we made them up, but nope. Humanity really is that reckless. We've got interviews that feel like Netflix rejected them for being too real, AI demos that absolutely should not work, but somehow do, and educational moments sprinkled between all of us wondering, how are people still falling for this? If you're a cybersecurity pro, a business leader, or just someone who enjoys watching digital dumpster fires from a safe distance, congratulations. This season is genetically engineered for you. New episodes every week, more games, more audience trolling, participation. More cyber insanity wrapped in storytelling your compliance department definitely won't approve. Welcome to Season 8. Let the chaos begin. This is Cybercrime Junkies. This is Cybercrime Junkies. Let's get started.